Gusto ko malaman, since, ayun nga, layo sa field nung kinalakihan mo, anong nag-push sa'yo para pumasok sa ganitong field?
Okay, magandang question yan. Actually, kakagraduate ko lang yun ng college eh. Tapos parang nung time na yon nauso kasi yung photo nung turtle na may plastic straw up its nose. Hindi ko alam if maalala nyo ba yun. Kasi nag-viral siya at that time. So, parang pinag-uusapan na sobrang saglit lang kung tutuusin mo, diba? Pag kunyari, bibilat ka sa fast food, uso pa before yung magpa-plastic straw. Parang ilang minutes mo lang siya gagamitin, pero hindi natin alam, hundreds of years pala for it to decompose. So parang a minute on your lips, forever on our landfill. So sabi ko, wait lang, parang there must be an alternative product na mas sustainable siya for our environment. Tapos kasi, coming from my education, nung high school, all-girls school kasi na ako galing na very, very strict on like mga values, talagang in-instill sa amin yung value for environmental consciousness eh. So, yun yung nag-push sa akin to find the product that could be an alternative to plastic straws. Kaya yun, nag-come about yung metal straw at that time. That was 8 years ago.
8 years ago? So, matagal-tagal na din. Pero nung inumpisahan mo to, nakita mo talaga na itong metal straw ay magiging long-term and sustainable for you?
Alam mo, sobrang gandang question yun. Honestly, hindi. Actually, kasi yun nga eh, yun yung gusto kong i-share. So, I started
kasi baka hype lang siya or something like
correct. That. Tapos, dahil nga 20 years old lang ako noon, fresh out of college, number one, wala akong capital. Kasi nga, parang I made it a point, sabi ko, kung magsisimula ako ng business, ayoko atang kumuha or umutang ba from my parents or from my siblings or from any friends. Gusto ko, pag magsisimula ako ng isang business, no matter how small it will be, gusto ko manggagaling siya from my own pocket. So yun, naging one of the challenges yun. Saan kaya ako kukuha ng financing. Number 2, wala akong business mentor, especially if I wanted it to become bigger or wanted it to become long-term. Parang dapat may mentor or dapat may plan or dapat at least may business degree. Kaso wala rin ako noon. So yun yung mga challenges. And then, right off the bat, I already knew hindi siya sobrang sustainable in a business term because isang product lang siya, and as you would know, each product has a product life cycle na tinatawag
right.
So parang magiging
unlike
hit
yung mga
siya.
Ginagamit on a daily basis.
Yes, unlike consumables, like for example, food, talagang magugutom ka naman talaga, diba? But yung mga products, especially retail products, meron siyang peak na hype lang until magdidwindle or magpa-plateau siya sometime forward.
When you started this, meron ka bang mga kasama o katulong na nag-conceptualize or ikaw lang talaga to?
Meron akong friend na bring up niya sa akin yung idea of metal straw. But ultimately, ako lang yung nag-start talaga. I actually started na 15 pieces lang. Kasi nga, like sa na-mention ko kanina, I did not have enough funds na puhunanan siya. So, kaya 15 lang muna until sinave ko yung profit, until nag-snowball siya into something bigger.
Wow. Tapos yung friend mo na to, into business na siya o hindi rin?
Hindi rin. Completely ibang path naman din siya.
Nadine, can you still remember yung first na customer mo? I'm pretty sure sobrang memorable din nun.
Oo nga eh. Sobrang nakakatuwang balikan yung mga first few purchases sa akin. But yun nga eh, I've never been the type na mag-hard sell. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako na when people knew na I had that product, sila mismo yung lumapit sa akin to say na, uy, sorry, parang for sale ba yan? Or personal use mo lang ba yan?
And first business mo rin to, right?
Yes, tama, correct. Oo. Ano pa lang ako nun eh, mag-graduate na ako from college. Yeah. So, yung mga friends ko, yung mga first na nag-purchase, sabi ko, nakakatawa naman, may innate liking for the product. Parang the product speaks for itself. Hindi siya kailangan masyadong i-market. May actual need for it.
Nabitin ka ba? Para sa iba pang praktikal at diskarte finance tips, follow and subscribe sa Para-Paraan with Salmon on YouTube, Spotify, and other socials.